Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to book a new walk-in patient insurance examination. Before we start, a new walk-in patient is defined as a patient who does not have an electronic file at the practice and has no booked appointment. Because this new patient has walked into the practice, their booking status will immediately be marked as arrived. An insurance examination is an examination that the insurance companies require when a person applies for life insurance or any company that needs a physical examination on the person's body. An insurance examination booking type allows you to add the insurance form to reference the number and necessary information the company requires for its documentation. Before you start, you need to set up your booking type, insurance examination walk-in, with its linked booking status, arrived, and your settings. Please refer to the booking types user manual link in this video's description. On the correct diary, either double-click on a time slot or click on the new booking button in the top right corner. The Add/Edit booking screen will open. Complete the fields in the booking details section. Take note that in the booking details section, you need to select the insurance examination walk-in option from the booking type drop-down menu. Because we chose the insurance examination walk-in booking type, the booking status will automatically change to arrived. Because this new patient does not have an existing electronic file yet, we can skip the debtor/patient search field. In order to create the booking quickly, complete the required fields in the debtor details section that are indicated by a red asterisk. This includes the debtor's name, surname, cell phone number, ID number, and medical aid details. Please note that the required fields may vary from practice to practice. Once the fields are completed, click on the Duplicate Debtor button in the Patient Details section to duplicate the debtor as a patient as well. Now you can either click on the Close button to exit the screen without saving, or click on the Save button to save the new patient's insurance examination booking. The new patient's insurance examination walk-in booking will appear on the diary. After the patient is treated, they can provide the rest of their information to fully complete their new file at the practice. To do this, simply click on the new patient's insurance examination walk-in booking and click on the Debtor Add button in the diary sidebar. The Debtor Details screen will open, where the rest of the new patient's information can be completed. Please refer to the Create New Debtor user manual link in this video's description. Click on the Save button to save the new patient's completed information.